Hi, my name is Sam Lewis from madebysam.com, and I'm here to discuss preparing leather for sewing. In this case, we're going to actually machine sew leather. There are a couple of things that you need to bear in mind before you machine sew leather. The first thing is you don't cut leather with regular scissors or with fabric shears. Neither of them will work. You need to either use a utility knife, which will work fine, or a nice heavy pair of leather shears. Wherever you got your leather, you can probably find leather shears. When you're cutting leather, very different from cutting cloth because you need to hold it under tension to get a clean cut. So pull it taut between your fingers and cut along to your pattern line. I'm holding 2 sets of fingers there. This is a slightly thicker suede, so it's going to be a little harder to do. So take a shorter cut, move it along, hold it along with one finger. Okay, once you have your edges clean, put your 2 pieces of leather together good side to good side like fabric. And then, last thing to prepare to sew leather is you need to make sure you have a leather needle in your sewing machine. A leather needle is different from a regular needle because it's more chisel shaped and it cuts the leather rather than parting threads like a sewing machine needle for fabric. And that's the basics of preparing leather for sewing.